Hello students, now it is exercise 13.2 and sum number 23. We have done till 22. Now 23 sum, you can see the diagram. In the given figure, adjoining figure, line AB and CD intersect each other at point O if EOD is 90 degrees. See, EOD is 90. This box means 90 degree. You know this? When the simple square is given to you in between the angles, it means it is a right angle. Okay, so and you need to find the value of x, y and z. See in the statement 2x, this 90 and x, they are making a straight line. From here we will be getting x, very easy. So in given figure, you can see AOB is a straight line. See, AOB is a straight line, and which angle? This angle, this angle and this angle. Yeah, 2x, 90 and x are making equal to 180 degree straight line. In given figure, AOB is a straight line, therefore angle AOD, you can see what is the name, AOD. Okay, so you will write angle AOD plus DOE plus EOB is equal to 180 degree. You can see AOD in the statement AOD, DOE and EOB is equal to 180 degree, and reason is straight angle equal to 180 degree. Now AOD is 2x, DOE is given to me 90 degree and EOB is x. 2x, 90 degree and x. So 2x and x is 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. X is equal to 90 over 3. So x value I found, it is 30 degree. Okay students, very easy. I am not repeating why this shifted and minus sign you have done. Also see the statement. Now you want y and z. If x is known to you, you can make it linear pair also. X and this, you can make it linear pair. Y I don't know. You can find y very easily. Double of these are making vertically opposite angle. See, this and this are making vertically opposite angle. Y will be equal to 2x. Means y is equal to 60. Very simple. So you can write, you can do this sum in many ways. You can take linear pairs. From any side you can take linear pairs. But here I am taking vertically opposite angle. Also here I will write BOC. See in the statement angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Can you see? AOD. Angle AOD. See बच्चे, BOC is my y and it is vertically opposite to AOD. So I will write vertically opposite angles. So BOC is y and AOC is 2x. Now y is equal to 2 into 30. It will be 60 degree. Y is equal to 60 degree. Very easily I found. Okay. And next you can see, if y is there, you can make linear pair of y and z as well as 2x and z. Both are making linear pair. Sum of both the angle is 180 from this side as well as from that side as well as. Your choice is there. Y plus z is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Also, or again you can write again BOC plus COA. Z is COA. In the diagram, BOC and COA both are making a straight line AB, and only two angles are there, so I will write is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is linear pair. You can see, are they making linear pair? Yes, they are making a straight line, and the straight line is divided by one single line, that is OC. So y and z are making linear pair. You can see very clearly in the diagram. And here this is y plus z is equal to 180 degree, and y is, what is y? 60 degree, plus z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then z will be 180 degree minus 60 degree, it will be 120 degree. So all three angles you found. X you can write at the end, x is equal to, at the end you can write x is equal to 30 degree, y is equal to 60 degree, and z is equal to 120 degree. These all three are your answer.